So this is just a quick video tutorial to demonstrate how we can make this reordering or reshuffling of sentence strips where the students can come up to the board and move them around and make sure they're in the right order. It's a bit of a time-saving tip because it means that you don't have to print out different sentences on different colored paper and cut them up and organize them with paper clips or anything like that. So what we do to get this effect is, first of all, you need to type on Smart Notebook and have, as you can see, different boxes of text. Once that's ready, I go to the top of the screen to the toolbar here, select the shapes, select rectangles, and I'm going to draw a rectangle around every single sentence so that I have my new slips of paper. If you want to copy and paste one, you can do that. I'm not going to do that today, just because I worry sometimes that my slips should be different sizes depending on the text that's there. Once that's done, I'm going to go to the top of the screen and select my cursor. Then to select each of the rectangles, it's important that you don't click in the middle. You click on the black line that makes the rectangle like that. To select all of them, I'm going to hold down Shift while I left click on the rectangles, like so. Now I'm going to add color. I'm going to fill the rectangle with color. So I select color from the top. I've got two choices, fill color or line color. I'm going to go to fill color and I'm going to choose yellow today. You can see that all of the rectangles have turned yellow and the text has disappeared. This is because the rectangles are ordered to be in front of them. So if I right click, I'm right clicking on the rectangles. Remember, I've selected all of them still. I can go down to order and click on send to back, like so, and now my text has reappeared. So I'm going to off click and deselect everything. Now I'm going to select the text, hold down Shift, select the rectangle, I've got both. I right click and go to group. I've grouped them like that. Do the next one, hold down Shift, selected both, go to group. You can speed up this process if you just press Ctrl G once you've selected the text and the rectangle. Now that all of that's done, the rectangle and the text are merged together. So I'm going to select the first object, hold down Shift, select the next rectangle, next rectangle, next rectangle, next rectangle. They're all chosen now. Right click. Now I'm going to lock. I'm going to lock but allow vertical movement. Now that's done, I have my paper effect. So I'm going to reshuffle them, put them all in the wrong order, so the students can have a great time trying to put them back in the correct order. A word of warning, you should check your classroom computer to make sure that when you do right click on them that it does have lock. Some classrooms might not have lock and allow vertical movement, which means that when you come to class your slips of paper will be kind of free floaty like this. So do make sure you check your classroom computer. Of course, we're going to have Smart Notebook 18 on all the computers soon, so once that happens it won't be a problem. Okay, good luck.